everyone, I'm Katie. I'm from our product development team here at Kimberbell, and with me today I've got Ginger and Angie, and they are from our customer care and events teams. We're going to be talking about pull flowers today. In your embellishment kit that you've received, you'll have 3 pull flowers in there, and this is the week where you'll add them. We use our pull flowers on a couple of different projects. We've got our dealer exclusives that we use them on the pillow and the tote, and our November bench buddy, and then finally on our curated enchanted collection, we use them. And today we're going to show you how easy they are to make and then attach. Ginger and Angie, have you two ever made a pull flower before?
No, so I'm excited.
All right. All right, well, I've got some here.
Okay.
I'll have you two, we're going to make them at the same time. I'm going to show you how easy they are.
Okay.
So at one end, they've got a knot to keep the flower attached, or to keep it on the string while you make it. And then on the other end, you'll hold your string, and then with your other hand, you'll hold the flower, and then you'll just pull the string. Just pull that flower tight.
Did you pull it right after that?
That's okay. You know what? That's actually okay. There are a couple of ways to make these pull flowers here. That's okay. Here, yeah, if the string comes out, you can just take your needle and thread, sew it back through, and then tie a knot at one end and then pull it through. They're designed to be easy and quick and simple, and so if your knot comes out, that's just fine.
Okay, but I don't feel like mine looks pretty like that one looks pretty. So how do I make it prettier?
All right, well, I'm going to show you.
Okay.
Can I borrow yours for just a moment?
Yes.
Thank you. So now that we've got it bunched like this, I'm going to take this side, tie a knot. I'll tie a knot in that side so that it doesn't come apart. And then if I had a needle and thread, I would show you. We're just going to bunch this together. And then I would take my needle and thread and just kind of floof it.
Oh, see, that looks so much
Yeah,
better.
you just put the ends together, sew it as you would like, and then
kind of fluff it out.
yeah, just kind of fluff it out. And then to attach it to your quilt is very simple. You just take those ends like that where it's all bunched together and just attach that to your quilt with a few stitches. Just a regular sewing thread, or you can take the thread that came with your pull flower. That works great as well. And then once you've attached them, you've got some really, really pretty pull flowers. Once they're on, again, you can floof them as desired. But thank you guys so much for joining us, and have fun embellishing your quilt.